In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Hadees refers to the sayings or actions of Prophet Muhammad in Islam. While there are many hadiths related to trade, commerce, and business ethics, it's important to note that the specific term tajarat may not always be explicitly mentioned in the traditional collections of hadith. However, there are hadiths that offer guidance on trade, honesty in business, and ethical conduct. Honesty and fair dealing in business. Prophet Muhammad emphasized honesty and fair dealing in business transactions. Narrated by Abu Huraira, R.A. the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The buyer and the seller have the option of canceling or confirming the bargain unless they separate, and if they spoke the truth and made clear the defects of the goods, then they would be blessed in their bargain. And if they told lies and hid some facts, their bargain would be deprived of Allah's blessings." Righteous earnings. Prophet Muhammad encouraged earning a lawful and honest livelihood through trade or any other means. Narrated by Abu Huraira, R.A. the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The upper hand is better than the lower hand, i.e., he who gives in charity is better than him who takes it." One should start giving first to his dependents. And the best object of charity is that which is given by a wealthy person, from the money which is left after his expenses. And whoever abstains from asking others for some financial help, Allah will give him and save him from asking others. Allah will make him self-sufficient. Fair weighing and measuring. Prophet Muhammad stressed the importance of fair practices in business, including using accurate weights and measures. Narrated by Abdullah bin Umar, R.A. Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, "Give the full measure, and do not be one of those who give less. And weigh with an honest and accurate balance." Honesty and fair dealing in business, narrated by Abu Huraira, R.A. Righteous earnings, narrated by Abu Huraira, R.A. Fair weighing and measuring, narrated by Abdullah bin Umar, R.A.